Undefined terms in geometry. One is a point. This can be seen in the stars at night. So each of these stars, it represents a point. A grain of salt, it suggests a point. The meeting point of two roads, so their intersection, it represents a point. A tip of this pen, so each of the tip of this pen, it represents a point. The corner of that given box right here, so this one, it represents also a point. So in geometry, a point indicates a location or position in space, but it has no dimension or actual size. And it is usually named using a capital letter. So it can be in any size, and it is still called a point. So it can be named using a capital letter. So let's say this is point A, this is point B, point C, and point D. While a line, it can be seen in a pen. Alright, so in a flagpole as well. Even the horizon, that is the meeting point of the surface of the earth and the sky. So a horizon suggests a line. And even that box right there, so the edges of this box, it also suggests a line. This one. A line has no thickness, and its length extends in one dimension only. But it goes on forever in both directions, and it is assumed to be straight. When it is drawn, we use arrowheads in both ends. These arrowheads represents infinite, so it goes on indefinitely. And it is named using a single letter, or it can be two known points, since a line is composed of infinite number of points. If there are 2 points that are known, let's say point A and point B, so we can name this line as line AB. While a plane can be seen in a door, in a paper, even in a floor or a wall, even in a cross-section of a fruit cut by a knife. It has 2 dimensions, and it forms a flat surface extending indefinitely in all directions. It has infinite length, it has infinite width, but it doesn't have height or thickness. And it is named by using a single letter. Let's say this one is a plain M, or it can be named using 3 coplanar points, but those points are non-collinear. So let's say this triangle right here, since there are 3 known points, the point A, point B, and point C, so they are on the same plane, that's why they are coplanar, but they are not in a straight line, that is why they are called non-collinear. So we can use these 3 points to name this plane. So we can call this as plane ABC or triangle ABC. Or if a plane has 4 points, 4 non-collinear and a coplanar points, so we can also use these points to name this plane. So we can call this as plane ABCD or quadrilateral ABCD.